How to see and fix all the games you have ever played on your Roblox account. For this, what you have to do is simply click on the official website of Roblox and get logged in with your email ID and your password, that is your credentials. Here on the homepage, you will see that the comment or the content recommended for me. Now, what I have to do is I will simply go on my home screen here and I will check my network connection as I'm connected with a better Wi-Fi network connection or not, because if I cannot see all the games available on my account, I should simply check the network strength, and then if the issue is not solving, even after doing this, you should restart your PC again to refresh all of the background apps, all of the things that have been running on your PC, and finally your PC will be restarted and refreshed. After refreshing it, wait for 1 minute and then again sign into the website, and then you will see that in the Roblox you can see all of the games available and you're not facing any type of error like this. Now let me just click on the website and then again refresh this. Hereafter you can see all of the games available here. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel.